In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and log into Wix, as well as create your very own e-portfolio. This is perfect for designers, photographers, students, or anyone who wants to present their work beautifully online. First things first, let's kick off by heading over to Wix.com. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Get Started button. Click it and you'll have the option to create a new account. If you happen to already have an account, no worries, just go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now that you're in, you'll need to choose the canvas for your portfolio. Start by selecting the option to create new site. You'll be presented with various categories, but for our purposes, make sure you click on Portfolio and CV. Take your time browsing through the available templates. You'll find options tailored for designers, photographers, and even student CVs. Choose one that resonates with your style or the work you're looking to showcase. Once you've made your selection, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor, where you're going to start making it uniquely yours. Next, it's time to customize your homepage. This is often the first impression visitors will have of you, so make it count. Start by adding your name, title, and a personal photo. You might also want to write a short tagline, something that encapsulates who you are professionally. For example, graphic designer, UX enthusiast, visual storyteller. Gives a snapshot of your skills and passions. Be sure to swap out any demo images with your own headshot or brand logo to personalize even further. Moving on to your portfolio pages, you'll need some staple sections: an About Me page with a brief bio, your education, and key skills. A portfolio or projects page will be essential to showcase the work that makes you proud, complete with images, descriptions, and even external links if applicable. Don't forget a resume page. Here you can upload or embed your CV. Lastly, make sure you have a contact page, whether it's a simple form, email address, or a link to your LinkedIn profile. With the structure in place, it's time to delve into the details of your work samples. Head over to your projects or portfolio page and consider using galleries, grids, or repeaters to exhibit your creations. For each project, include the title, a short description, some images or screenshots, and links, especially if it's work that's live or can be downloaded. Now focus on making it all look as professional as possible. Consider investing in a custom domain so your site can be reached at a URL like yourname.com. It's a small detail that makes a big impact. Set up a contact form to make it easy for people to get in touch. Adding social media icons linked to your accounts like LinkedIn, GitHub, Behance, or Instagram also adds layers of connectivity. The last thing you need to do is publish your e-portfolio. Look toward the top right corner for that publish button. Once your site goes live, you're all set to share it with potential employers, schools, or clients. And there you go, your professional e-portfolio is ready to make its mark.